essentially, when I'm on hotopenSauce.pizza, which is this site, I want to be able to search all these projects that are on this list.
It's Issues with Brian.
What's up, y'all? It's Issues with Brian, and if you're not familiar, this is a time where I talk about issues that we have in the open source project. And currently, we have an issue that, thanks to Shamim's been helping me out with some of the stuff like the open source landing page, which you saw in a previous iteration of this. Shamim has actually taken over, and honestly, Shamim, you'll have to hit me up if I'm saying your name right, because I've really never said it out loud until today. But we have been working on search for content on hotopenSauce.pizza. So this is something that I've been wanting for a long time. I've been working on it for a long time. And this is the quick issue. So issue number 91. There's a lot of conversation about it. Feel free to go into like the details if you want. Again, that's the issue number. But we had well, everybody basically threw in ideas. But we had this mock that I had a designer throw together. And essentially, when I'm on hotopenSauce.pizza, which is this site, I want to be able to search all these projects that are on this list. So some of the stuff is loading pretty slowly, but I've got this, and I can look at another projects, like another paginate down for another, I think 20 or something like that. What I'm getting at is, oh, that one's broken. Anyway, what I'm getting at is it'd be great if I could just search for a project, and that's what Shamim actually did. So that's the search box, the mock that we have. I'll go back into the deploy preview and make sure we can see it. Yo, from RemixConf, whoa, welcome in. Appreciate it. Y'all are coming in progress. So this is our search tool. Oh, I probably shouldn't have logged in because I just redirected. I didn't actually add that to the Supabase redirects. But what I'm getting at is now we can search. If you want view, we can now see all the view projects. Pretty much true to form. And if we click it, it will narrow down and filter to the view projects, and we could choose between them. But yeah, shout out to our folks at the RemixConf. I unfortunately was not be able to attend. That's why I'm here right now. But yeah, Remix. We can check out Remix. We go to GitHub. So the cool thing is that this works. There's this one small little bug that will basically get addressed hopefully the next day or so. It looks like there's like some sort of error based on his event handler and how he's doing the key press. I forgot what a key press is, but what I'm getting at is I am so happy that search is going to work because there's two features that I really wanted to ship for hotopenSauce.pizza. One is search, the other one is submissions. So now that search is done, in the next day or so, we'll have this merge. We now work on how can we submit new projects to the hotopenSauce.pizza list, and super happy with that. So I will say, if anybody is interested, we are going to be opening up some more issues for this project in particular. So let me know if you have any ideas for features or how to filter this. Also, shout out to Vortex, who's working currently on a new API with Nest.js that will hopefully be shipping soonish. It's going to unlock a lot of ability for us to do more on top of this project. Because, again, if you've been following this Issues with Brian series, we started with Astro. We moved from Astro to React and Vite, and then we had Supabase on. Literally, our entire API was built on top of Supabase and Supabase.js, and then now we're building an entire fully functional API. So a lot of cool stuff is happening. Also, if you have any cool ideas for open source projects, I'm happy to take them because I'll be having a little bit of bandwidth because I'll be working on open source full time for the next couple months. So super excited about that. So just hit me up on the stream or in the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one.
It's Issues with Brian.